Hey lawyers! If you've been following along, I know that you have been losing sleep, just awake at night in anticipation of part 9 of the exciting video mini-series, How to Best Work with Your Freelance Attorney. Hi, my name is Sonrisa Lewis, and I am a freelance attorney with my firm, Lewis Legal. I do things like litigation support, legal research, legal writing, legal analysis, all kinds of things for brilliant attorneys, solo practitioners, small firm attorneys like yourselves. And I have been losing sleep myself over part 9 of the video mini-series, How to Best Work with Your Freelance Attorney. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not losing sleep. But part 9 is about how to avoid conflicts of interest when working with your freelance attorney. And this is a question that I get asked pretty frequently, so I thought I'd make a video about it to answer your question. And it's very simple to avoid conflicts of interest. Basically, before you decide when you're evaluating which freelance attorney you want to work with, you need to talk about this with that person. You need to ask them, how do we avoid conflicts of interest? And your freelance attorney, myself, and my other colleagues, most of us keep a list, and we do a thorough conflict check before taking on a new client, before taking on a new project. So conflict checks are done thoroughly. I keep spreadsheets, and I make sure that a conflict check is done before I take any work from you, and that helps to solve this issue. Another thing is that it's written into my agreement that this conflict check is done, and that conflicts of interest will be prevented in this way. So that's an agreement that you and I both sign. So I would look out for that as well when you're evaluating a freelance attorney. Whether is this actually written into the agreement contractually? Are they going to do these conflict checks? Another thing, my clients are in many different states, so the likelihood that there is a conflict is usually pretty slim because my clientele is spread out so much. This may or may not be the case for your particular freelance attorney. They may work more locally in your area, or maybe there's more of a spread out jurisdictional situation. However, that is the easy answer to how to avoid conflicts of interest. Just have a simple conversation, make sure your freelance attorney is doing this, make sure it's contractually provided for, and that's the best advice I have for you on that. If you're looking to learn more about how to work with a freelance attorney, or even just other topics related to running your firm efficiently, to saving time, to earning money, then I recommend that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Go Getting Attorneys, and I'll have some more good stuff for you there soon.